Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to save your charts in TradingView so you can easily access your setups anytime without having to redo all your indicators or drawings. If this helps you, so more traders can find it first. After you've customized your chart with indicators, drawings, or strategies, look towards the top right corner of your chart window and click the Save button. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to give your chart layout a name. Choose something descriptive like moving average setup or trend analysis, then click Save again. This stores your chart exactly as you see it, so you can return to it anytime. Later, if you want to reopen your saved chart layout, go back to the Save button and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. In the submenu, select Load Chart Layout. A list of all your saved layouts will appear. Click the one you want, and your chart will load exactly as you left it, including all indicators, drawings, and settings. Once it loads, just click the X at the top of the load screen to start trading or analyzing on your saved chart. Saving your charts is really useful if you trade multiple strategies or want to keep your workspace organized. Instead of manually adding everything each time, you can quickly switch between layouts for different setups, like one for scalping and another for long-term trends, and that's it. Now you know how to save and load chart layouts in TradingView to make your trading workflow faster and more efficient. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want more TradingView tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.